And the people's champion is on the attack early, ready to satisfy the fans that love him so well.
And then there's Roman Reigns, who's fought his way through everything the WWE and life has thrown at him, never once slowing down or giving up.
Roman is a true inspiration to all of us and the entire WWE universe.
Oh, Bulldog!
One-handed.
Rock with the arm clutch into the boom DDT.
Let's take a second to talk about the move that has knocked Titans off their feet. The Superman punch.
Yeah, no doubt about it. That strike is one of Roman's trump cards. Some of his biggest wins have come after that incredible strike.
But the Superman punch demands focus from Reigns to execute. He'll need to control the pace here to make space for it. Yes, the trash can connects.
Talk about taking out the trash.
Diving double axe handle. And it's The Rock with the reversal. Inverted DDT.
Lights out.
Here we go. The Rock is in position.
There it is.
Rock bottom. The Rock bottom.
Oh, stomping. Ouch.
Up on their shoulders.
Down in a hurry.
Got the leg. Ooh, a dragon screw.
That'll destroy a knee.
Oh, Roman Reigns unable to be contained. Straight punch.
Jarring.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Oh, and he lands it.
Really relying on that tonight.
Watch out, Roman Reigns is on the attack now.
Oh. Kick right to the midsection.
This is how people end up getting hurt.
Look at this. Boom. Nice. He knows he's in trouble.
is!
More punishment to the core.
That'll leave you doubled over in pain. Incredible technical prowess from The Rock.
This has been a colossal battle to this point. No superstar is showing signs of backing down.
We are seeing all their best on display, but it might just come down to who can take advantage of a pivotal mistake.
Hooked up. Ah, shin breaker. The offense of The Rock is working well right now.
Harsh impact.
That connected.
I think that was harder than the first time, Cole.
Boom! Right between the eyes. Doing some more damage here.
Michael, that is so dangerous.
Boom!
Ooh, what impact.
Uh-oh, no, don't do this, don't do this.
Oh yeah, here's The Rock.
That connected.
I think that was harder than the first time, Cole.
Oh, he's really taking it to him.
Man, this is not good at all.
Oh, Roman Reigns saw that one coming. Roman Reigns gathering attention in a hurry.
Oh, nasty impact.
Hooked up.
Inverted suplex.
That hurt. He's lining him up.
There it is.
The Rock for the win.